welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. Can you imagine a technology in which what you think, what you dream becomes a reality? For example, I want to design a great sort of furniture for myself, which I have never seen a carpenter make it for me. But with the help of technology, I can actually put that into picture and make it a reality the very next day. Now, this is called 3D printing. In this video, we are going to learn about 3D printing. What is 3D printing? How it is going to change the way we see things in this world. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you press the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you are the first one to receive my next video uploads. Now let us start this video and let us first understand what exactly is 3D printing. Now 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. So I'll make it a very simple for you. First, you have an idea of what you want to create. Now you put that idea into a digital design on computer. Third, by using the 3D printing technology, you put that design into reality. This is 3D printing. Now what principle does it follow? Now a digital model is turned into a solid three-dimensional physical object by adding material layer by layer. So whatever design you create, it will actually take a physical form, and this physical form will be added by layers after layers of an object which you decide which object you want to try, whether it's plastic, whether it's synthetic, everything you have the freedom to decide what actually will be your physical product look like. That is the beauty of this technology. So how does it work? It involves three main steps. The first step is to design a 3D file of the object, which can be designed using a CAD software with a 3D scanner. Now the second step is the printing process, when you actually print the design. And this is the stage where you choose which material will best suit and achieve the specific properties you require for the object which you want to create. So the variety of materials used in 3D printing is very broad. It includes plastics, ceramics, resins, metal, sand, textile, biomaterials, glass, food, and even lunar dust. Now, these are the diversity of the products which you can use to create that physical object. Now, the third process is the finishing process. Now, product needs to be sanded, lacquered, or painted to complete it as it intended. Now, the physical form of the product which this printer will create for you needs to be given its original shape. Shape has already taken place. Original form, the way you want to look at. It could be color, it could be the texture. So you need to give some time for that to cool down. Now, what is the history of 3D printing? Is it a recent phenomena? No, it has been existing since the last 30 years, but not in such an advanced stage. Now, Chuck Hull invented the first 3D printing process, which was called stereolithography in 1983. Now, stereolithography as a method and apparatus for making solid objects by successively printing thin layers of the ultraviolet curable material, one on the top of the other. So if anyone asks you, you can answer this question. Chuck Hull was the first person who invented 3D printing technology. Now, where is it used? It is used almost everywhere. Aerospace, medicine, education, the list goes on. And the best thing is this technology is being used to make people live. This technology is used for the people who are not in physically comfortable mode to walk or stand or do any physical activity. By the use of 3D technology, artificial uh, parts of the body can be made and can be given to the people who do not have legs or hands. So this is the the level at which this technology can be used, and it can be a game changer for the entire human race. Now, the pros and the cons of 3D printing: it is a rapidly developing technology which comes with sets of inherent benefits. I have already discussed about the benefits, but traditional methods do have certain advantages still because they are reliable, they have been standing since quite long. Plus, the new technology requires a lot of investment. So, let us go and talk about the positives and the negatives one by one. It can create complex of the designs, anything which you can imagine from your mind, which is very vast and diverse, you can create it. That is the reality. Customize each and every item as per your requirement, as per your length, as per the size. You can customize each and every item. With the help of 3D, you can print t-shirts depending upon what size, what color, what design you want to print it on there. No need for tool and molds, lower fixed costs. Speed and ease of prototyping, faster and less risky route to market, less waste. Now, what are the negatives of 3D technology? It is higher cost for large production, lower precision, less material choices, limited strength and endurance. Now, these are some of the negatives which obviously do not overpower the positives. So there are always a lot of good options, good aspects about 3D technology, which we all should, and as a country, we should move in that direction. So I'm sure you have liked this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, share this on social media, and also subscribe to my channel. Our motive is to spread education in this beautiful world, and we want you to help us do the same. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.